Oh, check it out. Okay. I had to do the Sparko seat in here also. I got slider.
Is that a new seat?
This time. It's the same one I have in the Miata. The same Sparko.
And they got the sliders.
Yeah. This is his car.
Damn.
This is a RB25.
Woo.
This is what is in my R33.
Like the engine bay is pretty nice.
Oh yeah, dude. So this is Devin's car. This is Matt's car, and then that's Danny's car. I met all these guys when I first moved here. I went to a drift event. So this is SR20, and then I'm doing almost the exact cage. I'm gonna have the dimple dies on mine. Cool. Everything's the same. I'll probably paint it the same too. Same door bars too. Dude, it's gonna be so cool. And then the same sort of like X bar setup, and then right now he's getting this fitted for me because it has to be certain distance. Yeah. See, he even like is making his whole hood fit perfectly. He's relief cut everything.
Interesting.
And then Devin did a right-hand drive conversion on this car. So that's
drive
car that he's
crazy. Dude, the amount of skill you have to do something like that is nuts. Or trial and error. Oh, dude, I love the fuel cell.
I know, dude. Yeah,
that's
so
sick.
This is Danny's car's fucking legit. And I've been in this car drifting with him. Actually, no, I forget. I think it was the same chassis but a different car. But I've been in this car drifting at Musselman, is where I want to go this weekend. Watch
Oh, he's got the two-stroke scooter.
Nice. It looks so good. I appreciate the weld so much more now because I've tried to weld and it's not fucking as easy as it looks.
Yeah, and then you get all, like I was just trying to find the spot where I could even reach it with both hands.
Oh yeah.
That's the hardest part on the TIG welding and everything, is just trying to find a spot that you're comfortable enough to weld in.
Oh yeah, dude. I think I probably will chop the panel though, like you were saying, in half.
And and then build what's on the bottom.
Yeah.
Oh, I got all the wires. You can kind of keep those.
I just want to feel like my foot traveled. So yeah, that's like perfect right there.
Right there?
Yeah, I just don't like my legs to be too far stretched out.
Yeah.
So that's like perfect.
That's nice for me too, because it's like the seat's actually level with your shoulders.
Yeah.
So I just put a 15-degree down from the seat to the bar, and then you're sitting in it good.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, and then you got plenty of clearance for a helmet. This helmet's only take about 4 fingers. So if you do this on the side of your head, and you don't touch the gauge, you're good.
Oh yeah, I got plenty of room.
Yeah. And then take this out and then graft it into like the carbon fiber, what you were talking about.
You're right, yeah, I could literally cut it right on that.
Yeah.
And that would actually look decent.
And then you have like, still somewhere like rest your arm.
Yeah. Yeah, that's probably what I'll do.
And we can probably get away with this one, because this one welds flat. The problem with these is they come down and they'll actually interfere with it hitting the tube.
I think I'm gonna leave it up to you and whatever you think looks good.
Okay.
Like just whatever. If you think the smaller ones fit better and they look better, I say do that.
Okay.
Because you have a better eye of what looks good and wrong.
Yeah.
So I say I'm gonna leave it up to you. Whatever you think looks good, just go ahead.
Yeah. Once I make the panels too, I can lay it out and see which way is gonna look good on that. Pull the upper door bar off the same parallel as the harness bar. It just makes it look nice and tough.
Because they don't meet at the same.
Yeah, it's a kind of a cool little spot there for it to intersect.